Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Last class we have completed the things of this. Okay, browse button. Okay, how to work with the browse button. Let me continue the rest of the part. Now what we are going to do is I am going to add the record into the database. Okay, so first I am going to create the database. So go to the XAMPP, open on the XAMPP server, click start, click admin. This is your admin dashboard. Now I am going to create new. This one I am going to name it as Java grade OSA. This is a just company. Okay, I just give the name OSA. This is a database I have created. Inside this database, what are the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns we have to create along with 8 columns. Along with the ID, we are create as 8 columns. This one should be the registration. First one is ID, primary key. Second is a first name. Last name. Gender. Male or female. After that, we have to get the department, address department, address, department, salary, photo. Right. These are the column. These are the respective data types. Okay. So we are going to create this one. Click save button. It has been created successfully. You will be able to see it has been created successfully in MySQL. Perfect. We have done the perfect job right now. So what you are going to do is now I'm going to go to using okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to do the save part. So before that I'm going to this is our project. The project we have to add the MySQL library. So that is important stuff. If we are not install the MySQL jar file, you want in order to connect our XAMPP. This is our XAMPP MySQL database along with my NetBeans. We need a driver. That now I'm going to type MySQL jar. Click on this. Select the operating system. We are get platform independent. Okay, select as platform independent. This is a MySQL zip. You have to download them. Okay, you have to select the operating system which you need. If you are a Mac user, you can select as a Mac. Okay, so here. Okay, so here I'm a platform. Simply you select platform independent. It will be support everything. Okay, platform independent. That means whatever operating system it will be supported. You can whether you can use it Linux or Mac or anything. Okay, it will be supported. But it's a special Ubuntu user, you can go along with this. So I'm going to go along with this one, MySQL connector. So I have click no tags. Okay, you just click no tags, and if you click no tags and just start my. If you click on this link, your download has been begin. So I already installed I already downloaded. So I'm going to import that. Select the library file folder, add jar folder, select this one, MySQL connector. Open it. It's open successfully. Okay. Now I will be able to connect it. So I'm going to go to the source. So first I'm going to, what you are going to do is to implement the namespace. So to import name, import Java dot SQL dot pop. Now if you write the SQL all, you will be able to write all the classes based on SQL. Okay, so you have to write this connection. This is a class which is reside on the SQL library. After that, you have to prepare statement. PST. This all are reside on that class. Okay. Now I am going to establish the connection. So this is the connection. This all the things I will give you. These codes. Simply. Right here. You can see here. Here we have write it here. Simply you have system. Dot out dot println. Here you have write this one ex. Here whatever your error you have got it here clear. Okay, so here this is a connection method. I have write connection, open and close it. So here the inside the try and catch, if the error will be occur while the coding, the catch will be getting, the catch will be saying what kind of error you are getting on the try. That's the purpose of your writing the try and catch. Very easily identify that in order to easily identify the error. Okay, so where the error is coming from the database path or driver, there are so many things. Okay, after the user credential and everything. So here what I did is string driver. So MySQL, this is a new way to implement the driver of MySQL. This driver we have registered using com MySQL CJ JDBC driver. The URL path where you have reside in your database. My database reside on the XAMPP. This is a database. So your path, this is the port where my database is running, 33006. My database name, which is a, you have mentioned the name of the database, which is a OSC. This is a name. Okay. So this is a path. After that, the user credential. When you install the MySQL, if you install the XAMPP server default without changing the username and password, default username and password, root is a username, default username, password is blank. This is a user credential of MySQL. Okay, so this is a very important stuff you have to remember. Okay, this is a very important stuff. This is when you register the driver. After that, you have to select the path where your database is resided. After that, you have to tell them the username and password of the your database. Okay. After that, you have a class for name. What is this is the driver. You have to assign this driver. This driver you have given here class dot name. Here you have registered. After that, you have given the path. Driver manager get connection. This is the URL your path is resided. This is the user credential, username and password. After this all are correct, the message is coming. Database connected successfully. Let's run and check. Okay, you have to go to the console and check. Okay, it's not coming because this is a constructor. You have to this one. You have to copy this. You have to call inside the constructor of the class. How to find the constructor? The same name of the class, the method name should be there. It's called as constructor. When the class is running, the constructor is running first. Okay, so you have to write this. You have to call this. Okay, the same name of the class, the method name should be same. It's called as constructor. Here the database is connected. You can get the message of database is connected. Now your programming is running successfully. Keep in your mind. Thank you for watching. I will get touch with my next video tutorial. Thank you.